In this video will go from this to this using this. Yeah, no, it's a Fram. It's a cabin filter and convertible. Anyway, had that filter for a long time and just now getting to actually replacing it. So to replace the filter, got to go in here and pop all these little guys out. Okay, so if you do have to lose some of these, there'll be a link down in the description there on a nice little kit that has several of them in there. But hopefully you won't lose them. Sorry about the leaf blower, but it's Saturday in the fall. So anyway, I'm not going to pull this thing completely up because, you know, I don't want to. So I think you can just lift it up a little bit, and you can see right in there how it's sitting. And this one, I'm guessing, has never ever been replaced before. Slide this out. Wow, that's nasty. Alright, so there's a little clip that had to come off. There's the new filter. You might want to clean this area out inside of here. Mine actually isn't that bad, believe it or not. And the filter always has airflow. Should always have the airflow on it. But this will only fit in one way, so it doesn't really matter much. Okay, now there's a little rail down in here that's got to fit on. Just kind of slide it in there. There we go. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Alright, and then of course make sure that tab is secured back down, and then all we got to do is go back and put all the little clips back in, or replace them if you'd like. And there's the kit I was talking about. There'll be a link in the description for that. So these are the ones I'm going to end up using. Looks like 3/8. What I like about them is they actually have a place where you can put your screwdriver in there and pop them out, unlike the factory ones. That's what I ended up using here. That's closer to the correct length, or the factory length, but these went in a lot easier and held better. Alright, there you go. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.